is the Kase Wolverine Revolution kit. This is the entry kit. 82mm is what I have on my lens. So this is the A7R5 with the G Master 16-35 2.8 second version. Today is about ND filters. Now, the biggest thing with ND filters for me are putting them on quickly in the moment. So you want to put it on, but you want to sit there and screw on the cap every time. And then you get into back indoors and you want to take it off again. You got to unscrew it, all that kind of stuff, and store it away. Magnets make the world great. So we're getting a lot into the magnetic game of things. So Kase has decided to make, they have several different kind of kits. There's a Pro Series and there's an Entry Series, and it's kind of like all what you're looking for. How much do you want to spend and what all do you need in your ND filter lineup? So I'm gonna go over the Entry kit. I'm gonna show you how the two rings that it comes with for magnetic installation. Do that. It comes with a little kit here to install it. So I'm gonna put that on right now and show you how that works. Now there's two choices. All right, so you have your standard traditional ring here you can install with threads on the inside. Then you have the magnetic where you can clamp on just like that. And then we have this great inlay. You can use this one instead, where basically it's like nothing. You won't even forget that it's actually mounted to your lens. This takes a little more finesse. It comes with a tool to get it on board. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. The main thing when you install this is to make sure it is nice and flat, and you don't want to work it too hard in. So you don't want to like screw it in incorrectly and it's kind of like not there. So as you start getting it turned on and you get a little resistance and it's kind of like, that's kind of hard, don't just wrench it down because you may bend the actual ring. You want to do it nice and easy. Just kind of like lay it on top here, some grooves that it will connect to. Boom. And then slowly, no resistance at all, going on nice and easy. And there. So it's installed and you probably can't even see it at all on here. You'll forget it's even there. And the way you can find out if it's on there is if you do that. So boom. I mean, these are nothing new to have magnetic ND filters. If you're going to buy ND filters today, you need to go the magnetic route because it is too easy. Another thing about ND filters, if you have a couple of them, I have to pull it out and actually sit there and try to read on top here, like ND64. Got it. With these, all their filters are color. They have color coding on top of it. So this is gold for 64. The blue is ND8 and the silver is their CPL. So I could just look right into my bag and know which one it is right away. To even better that, it does come with this nice case here, accordion opening. It's got a little clip on the back in case you want to mount it to something. Buckle up here. But when you put it inside, you can see right in your kit, I need to grab the X64, I need to grab the ND1000, whatever you have, the color code will be on there. If you're even more confused about that and you want to be more organized, inside their kit comes a little sticky book, little stickers in here that you can add to the accordion so you can see it straight ahead of which ones you have and where they are supposed to be located. Just in case you forget what color means what. So that's nice. The entry kit is the 64, the 8, and the CPL, but it has a lot more slots. So I have other ND filters, so I'm throwing them in here also to keep it all organized. But very nice little pouch here. On and off, easy, cheesy. Not coming off. Do any weird stuff out in the field. I don't want to hurt my camera. Double up, triple up. They all can go on board. So if you want to really increase your ND, you can put them all at one time. It can be done, so they're stackable on your lens. It also comes with a cap. So this is like a metal cap that you could then put right on top and then magnetically goes on top. So everything is fast. Take your camera out, put your ND on, have your cap on, take your cap off. You may just have to finagle that. That's about it. All right, this set costs $300 for this one. Of course, the more you get, the higher the price they go. I've done it before. I buy a very expensive glass, and then I go on Amazon and I cheap out and buy cheap indie filter glass to put on my lens. It's kind of defeating the purpose, right? You pay all that money for an expensive lens like this, and then you put on cheap glass. What are we doing here? So just, if you're going to do it right. Find good glass. This is good glass. Let's talk about the glass. So the glass is tempered, shockproof optical glass. Extremely durable and easy to clean with no color cast. We're going to go outside, take some photos with the filters, and a little video to kind of show you what it's like. Most of us know what indie filters do. It allows you to really slow down that shutter speed so you can get the cool effects of waterfalls, that kind of stuff during the day. But also can be used for video to keep your frame rate. So if you're at 60 frames per second, your shutter speed can be around 120 frames per second. So we have good motion blur in the background. And these are great ones to use because, again, magnets, right? In and out, swap in and out. Here we go. Links are down below in the description if you want to check them out on Amazon or go to right to their website. But thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. So easy, it snaps on. So awesome. Bring it so small in here, you can never even see it. It doesn't stick out at all and just pops on. And then the best part, again, I say it over and over in this video, is the color coding on the side. So when you look into your bag, you easily see, oh, there's the 32, there's the 64, there's the 8, slow motion. Let me get the 64 back. Let's just throw the CPL on. We'll reduce some of that glare.